Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek. Android 11 is going to be launched in a couple of weeks, and while Google is busy in that launch, other brands like OnePlus, they're working on their own Oxygen OS UI for the Android 11. And the Oxygen OS 11 UI has been leaked recently, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of the hands-on on that UI. This video I got from the Sparrow News, so if you want more information about it, I will link Sparrow News right in the description, so you can go there and read more about this. So let's get into the hands-on of the Oxygen OS 11. And as you can see in the home screen, the icons has been changed a little bit, roundish square than just round or square. Also, you will be able to change these icon shapes because it's a feature in Android 11. And let's jump right into the shelf. So this is that shelf feature which you get on the leftmost page of the home screen. It shows your recently used apps and weather, time, and more things for a glance. The animations has been upgraded too, so these animations are smoother than before and it looks more fluid, and these animations will look real good on a high refresh rate display. And as you all know, OnePlus devices comes with a high refresh rate display, so these animations will look real good on that. So this is the incoming call UI, and there's a little animation there, looks real good. And this is the new live wallpaper, and it looks really good. This wallpaper looks really good, and I bet this wallpaper will be coming to other Android smartphones too, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and when these will come out, I will tell you how you can install it on your Android smartphone. So let's get back to the Oxygen OS 11. So this is the weather app in Oxygen OS 11. It got better animations, it got a better UI and a better navigation, and it looks real good than before. So there is a new feature in the always on display feature. What you can do is you can create a silhouette from your own image and you can put it as the always on display, and it will look really cool when you unlock your phone. As you can see here, there's a small silhouette of this little girl which animates when you unlock your phone. It looks really good. Also, there is a new animation when you unlock the phone. As you can see, the animation looks really good, and the fingerprint animation has also been changed, as you can see here. And this is that always on display theme which is getting leaked recently, and this rainbow kind of strip is more features than just for aesthetics, and it looks really cool. That clock there just moves from the top and just go to the bottom when you go through your day, and it also shows you a little bit of bars there. So this bar represents like how much time you're spending on your phone, so it will give you a little bit of statistics that if you're using your phone a lot, you should be able to get notified that yes, I'm using my phone a lot, I should be taking more breaks from my phone. And it looks really good, and all the other informations are there too, like the battery status, the notifications, and the time, also the date. I don't know what that thing on the top is, but I think that's date. So everything is there in this theme, and this theme will be coming in Oxygen OS 11. There's also a document scanner built right into the gallery, so you can convert your pictures into documents. And it also seems like you can extract the text from that document. As you can see, there is a little icon which has T on it, so it seems like this icon can be used to extract the text from that document. There's a little movie maker too in the gallery app, so it's no big deal. It's there, it was there before, so it's no big deal. Also, take a good look at the weather animations in the weather app. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a teaser of Oxygen OS 11 which has been leaked too in this video, so you can go ahead and check it out. And that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.